Well, here we are after 5.5 hours of driving, including a lunch break and getting diesel. And we're at our nice little spot here. And you can see Suzette is doing a little R&R. Well, she's doing a little work on GI and the rig. I'm going to be cooking us lunch here shortly, and we're just kind of catching the normal things to do in a travel day. We're not even going to disconnect, and tomorrow we're going to continue on our journey.
Come look at yourself. Look how clean this is.
And look at that. She's doing
that compared to that.
I know. Great job.
You gotta see your reflection, Mark.
Look at. I don't want to see my reflection.
Can you see mine? Of course you can. I can see you.
Yes. Yep, so on a busy travel day, we always like to have something good and hearty to eat. So I've been cooking up a storm here, and it might be just about ready, but almost ready, Sue. Sometimes I'm in charge of making the meals, and sometimes they're more elaborate than what Sue comes up with, but you know, I learned that from Brian, one of my RV buddies. He's kind of a master chef here on the grill, so I picked up plenty of pointers from him, I'll tell you that right now. But I'm thinking it's probably just about ready. Hey, Sue, get the brandy old fashions and the wine ready. Yeah, I'm thinking it's ready by now. We gotta get the food. I think I'm done, hon. Yeah. Okay. Oh yeah. There we go. There we go. Okay. Oh yeah. This is gonna be good. Okay, hon, I hope you're ready, because I'm ready. It's gonna really be good. Sue and I stopped after about 2.5 hours of driving. Found this nice rest stop here with all sorts of picnic tables and everything to sit at. And it's right next to the freeway. Easy on, easy off. And here's a little picnic lunch we have. And you know, it's a beautiful November 7th day. Perfect temperature. I mean, yeah, I mean, what absolutely could screw it up? I don't know. So some rest stops are better than others. Here we are. We're on our way to Sedona, Arizona, and we stopped at a rest stop to stretch our legs and have a little beef stew that Sue made. And some places have facilities. This has it. Some are a little cleaner than others. This one's very clean. And really, the architecture and everything is really nice. And for like 2 hours, we were just thinking, boy, this is really nice. And then we turned around. We hadn't noticed it in the beginning, but we did finally see that this view is actually better. Let me show you this, Sue. Here you have the sundial, and I'm looking at my clock. It's about 2:50 on my clock, and you look at the shadow, it's exactly 250. I could literally set my watch for it. But what I'm going to do here is I looked at this land, and I'm going to see if this land is available here, because when I looked at here, this would be the perfect place to build a go-kart track. Either that or a pig farm, but I'm not sure yet. I'm going to see if it's available. Where you going, Sue?
Well, we're heading out to the Fay Canyon Trail.
Where?
It's labeled easy. It's 1 mile out, 1 mile in.
F-A-Y?
I think we can do that.
All right. There it is. We're climbing to the very top. Then we're going to zip line between the two peaks there from left to right. You can't see the cable right now, but trust me, it's there. We'll get it on video later. You know, too bad you can't capture this on camera, what it all looks like, because the camera just is not good enough compared to your eyes. But, I mean, just look at how grainy. You could see all of the cracks and everything.
Zoom in on the person.
And like all the trees up here. What person?
Zooming in.
Yeah.
Okay. See that person there?
You take the camera, I can't see it.
So we've got a person's head.
Oh.
Where's my finger?
I was looking for a person.
No, just the head right here. Got the eyes, the nose, the chin down here, lips right here.
What?
There's another one.
What?
Planted in the mountain. Wow, there's faces all over it. That one moves. Well, that's scary. So as we're walking along, we heard this music from the distance. It was like Hare Krishna, guitar, different instruments. And this is kind of where we thought we heard it from. Once I got the phone out, of course they stopped singing.
It was pretty loud though. You know, it was right there. And people are climbing up there, and other climbers? Yeah. No, it wasn't climbers. It was actually a bunch of people playing music.
And singing up there.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was pretty cool.